Here as long as you wish.
I know that. I appreciate it.
Well, my time is limited.
I know, and I don't wish
my time is limited.
Sorry,
but if you want to, you know, I'm answering the question.
If the chair will allow me to remain all day, I'll
stop it. Hold on a second. It's the first time we used the gavel since the thing actually started.
Over the fact that at that time, I'm here to give contemporary thinking, Deputy, and I'm here to, with the benefit of hindsight, that we now have a financial crisis in a totally different situation. But please, Deputy, if you want me to answer the question, it took you 5 minutes to ask it. So the question is, or the reply I want to give to you is, I mean, in 2007, in your own manifesto, Fine Gael manifesto, you said economic growth between now and 2013 would be at 4.1% per annum.
And Mr. Kenny will be coming in due course to talk.
Yeah, well, he might know that, you see, Chairman. He might know that.
Please, Mr. Cowen, no, Mr. Kenny, and other will be dealing with the Fine Gael manifesto and other people dealing with the Labour Party manifesto.
Yeah, but I'm simply answering, Chairman, if it's an uncomfortable fact of life. But I'm trying to answer.
Sorry, Mr. Cowen, a second. I'll ask you to come back to the question. Deputy, I'll ask you a question. Can you refer to the question? We deal with other witnesses with regard to
the question.
The question is, were there responsible targets? And there were responsible targets at the time. Sorry now, you know,
but I need...
No, yes, I'm giving you an answer as to why I increased spending. We made policy decisions in that respect. And we did it on the basis that having achieved those basic guidelines that I would regard as requiring, we weren't going to be completely, over the following 5 years, increasing spending at that rate again. We would obviously have to adapt our policy as things went ahead. There's also 200,000 people in traditional manufacturing in this country who have wages which are less than the average industrial wage. Let me finish. And that those people needed to be helped because we wanted to keep that as competitive as long as we can based on investments that have been made in the 70s and 80s and mightn't be here for the long. Well, it's very simple,
Deputy. An impending general election in 07.
It's very simple, Deputy. If you build classrooms, you have to put teachers in them. If you build hospitals, you have to put nurses and interns and doctors into them. If we were involved in the biggest investment in education, then what you're suggesting is basically put on the brakes, increase unemployment. Look, hold it for a moment. Increase unemployment. Increase unemployment, or because you're dampening demand, or what you also do is you do what we did, or what we want to do, which is increase the productive capacity of the economy, to deal with the bottlenecks out in the M50, to do something about the poor economy, to have a motorway system. And those investments, Deputy,
Mr. Cowen,
yes, those investments are now the long-term investments that benefit the recovery today.
Mr. Cowen, can we come back to the root of the question?